Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how you can check your PNC Bank account balance. Checking your PNC Bank account balance is simple and can be done in a few different ways, allowing you to choose the most convenient option for you. 1. PNC mobile app and online banking. The quickest ways to check your balance are through the PNC mobile app or online banking. Using the mobile app, simply sign in to the PNC mobile app on your smartphone or tablet. Your current account balances will be displayed right on the main dashboard for your checking, savings, credit card, and loan accounts. Using online banking, log into your PNC online banking account on a computer. Once signed in, your account balances and recent transactions will be easily viewable. 2. Text banking. PNC's text banking is a fast way to get your balance without logging in. First, you must be enrolled in text banking through online banking. Once enrolled, you can send a text message with the command BAL to PNC's short code, which is 762,265, PNCBNK. You will receive a text message back with the available balance for each eligible account. 3. Automated telephone banking, PNC voice banking. You can check your balance over the phone anytime using PNC's automated telephone banking service. Call 1-888-PNC, BANK 1-888-762-2265. You will need to have your PNC voice banking user ID and PIN to access your account information. Once you authenticate, you can simply say account balance to the automated system. 4. PNC ATM or branch visit. For an in-person or physical check. ATM, you can use your PNC debit card at any PNC ATM to view your balance on screen or print a receipt. Branch, you can visit any PNC Bank branch and speak with a teller to inquire about your current balance. In summary, whether you prefer the convenience of the mobile app, a quick text, a phone call, or an ATM visit, PNC Bank provides several secure ways to keep track of your account balance. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.